the living room has a heater. Make sure it is switched on, that there is a light there. Then the heater is controlled by the panel. Now, to turn on the panel, press enter. It lights up. The easiest way to operate it is in manual mode, which it is in now. Now, the heater has various modes. Make sure it's in manual. So if you want the temperature to go up, you press the up arrow, and you want the temperature to go down, you press the down arrow. Now 21 is a comfortable temperature. Once it reaches 21, it will turn itself off. Let me demonstrate. The maximum it will go up to is 26. See, it's changed colour, so it's getting warm. So what you want is about 20 or 21. That's a comfortable temperature. If, for example, if it wasn't in manual mode, you can press the menu button and then under mode, press enter again. So you use the keys to go as a cursor key. Press the enter and change yourself into a manual mode. To back out of this, you press back and back again. Now when it gets to 21 degrees, it will turn itself off, and then when it gets colder than 21 degrees, it will turn itself back on again. Thank you.